Samsung Phone Manufacturing Company is a company on which people trust the most. If you also want to buy a powerful 5G smartphone in the new year, then this smartphone can prove to be a great option for you. With the arrival of this phone, you will forget the Galaxy S24 series. Today we are talking about such a powerful smartphone, in which you are going to get Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, with a big battery of 7500 mAh. Yes, we are talking about Samsung Galaxy Edge Pro Max 2025. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this great smartphone. So let's get started. Features of Samsung Galaxy Edge Pro Max 2025 5G. First, if we talk about its display, you get to see a 6.85-inch Super AMOLED display, which comes with 4K resolution, which comes with 165 Hz refresh rate, and 390 Hz touch sampling rate. Apart from this, it will be available with in-display fingerprint sensor, Gorilla Glass 3. Other side, IP69 rating will be given to protect the smartphone from water and dust. Processor. Talking about the processor in this smartphone, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor has been installed inside it. Also, if we talk about the operating system, you get to see Android 15 operating system inside it. Camera setup. A powerful, excellent camera is provided inside the mobile. Inside this you get to see triple camera setup, whose main camera is going to be 108 megapixels, with OIS support. Apart from this, two other cameras will be seen in it. And if we talk about the selfie camera, then inside it you get to see a 50 megapixel selfie camera. Battery backup. Talking about the battery of the smartphone, you are going to get a powerful battery inside it. In this you can see a battery of 7500 mAh, which supports 120 watt fast charger, with USB Type-C charging socket. Price or launch date. If we talk about the price of this mobile, then it is being estimated around $1,000. And if we talk about the launch date, no official information has been received about it till now.